Do you know many people are having trouble with playing audio on their outdoor speakers using the Onkyo TX-NR6050 receiver? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect speakers. Connect your outdoor speakers to the designated ZONE2 speaker terminals on the receiver, ensuring secure connections. Step 2. Access setup. Press the SET-UP button on the remote and navigate to the 2 speaker section in the on-screen menu. Step 3. Configure Zone 2. In the 2 speaker section, set Zone 2 Lineout to Zone 2 for audio output. Step 4. Activate Zone 2. Activate Zone 2 by pressing the ZONE2 button on the main unit or remote control, lighting up 2s on the display. Step 5. Select Source. Select the input source you wish to play on your outdoor speakers by using the Input selector while holding the ZONE2SHIF-T button. Step 6. Adjust Volume. Adjust the Zone 2 volume using the remote or main unit's volume dial for the perfect sound. Now you should be able to enjoy music on your outdoor speakers with the Onkyo receiver. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Onkyo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.